Welcome to my channel Chemistry Video, and I am Numan Ahmed, and today we are going to discuss the second important topic, that is root mean free path. The topic name is mean free path. Mean free path. What is a mean free path in chemistry? It is represented by lambda. Okay, the mean free distance, the mean distance traveled by a gas molecule, the mean distance traveled by the mean distance traveled by a gas molecule between gas molecule between two successive collision. The mean distance between traveled by a gas molecule between two successive collision is called mean free path. Thus we can say lambda is equal to c. This is c bar, root mean square velocity we can say, and this lambda. And this is in the previous equation. In the previous lecture we discussed what is z. So we can write a z is, we can say half pi z sigma square c bar and rho square. This is also the simplest one, and again we can write it in simple way. We can represent it sigma pi sigma square c bar and rho square. This is the mean free path equation. We can say also we can say that PV is equal to nRT, and what is the R? In previous lecture we have discussed nRT. Okay, so what is the R? R is basically, we can say R is, let me write it, Nk, where B is called Boltzmann constant. So we put in the value of this. So the value will be NKBT. This will be the and this A is also Avogadro number. A is Avogadro number and KT. Okay. So putting this, we can put this equation, but before that let me introduce what is Na. N is Avogadro number here, where Na is Avogadro number, Avogadro's number, and K is called Boltzmann constant. Boltzmann constant. This is the derivation of a small. Okay. What is gas constant? Gas constant is just nothing. What is R? Basically in this equation R. What is R? Gas constant R. Gas constant is Avogadro number multiplied by Boltz's constant. We can say Avogadro's number multiplied by Boltz's constant. Yeah, Boltzmann constant. That was the same we discussed. Avogadro number R is nothing. This is Avogadro number N, and KB. KB is Boltzmann constant. Now PV, as we discussed, PV is equal to nRT and NAKB. So we can write now the value P is equal to NAKT by V, because PV, that was PV before that, So we just put that V over there. So now see, now the equation is P is equal to NA KT, and in place of NA, in this we can say one thing more. So in place of N, NA is equal to capital N, which is the total number of, we can say where is N is the total number of molecules. N is total number of molecule, So this equation will become P is equal to N KT by V. N KT by V, where N, as I did, where N is total number of, molecules, K is Boltzmann constant, and T is absolute temperature. Okay, one thing is more important in this case, that what is, we can say the rho is the number of molecules per unit volume. Here in this equation we can say that, let me remove this. Number of molecules colliding per unit volume. Rho is called number of molecules per unit volume. So we can say that rho is equal to N by V. So this equation we can put N by V, we can put rho. So that will also be, we can say that the equation can become P is equal to rho K and T. Now see, in place of N by V we just put rho, and this is P for pressure directly proportional to K and T. Yeah, simply if you want to find out rho, so rho is equal to pressure by K and T. This is the more simplest form. इसको इस साइड पे ले आए तो ये rho by this is. So one thing is important, substituting the value of rho in equation. Now see, we can, the basic equation sorry, substituting the value of rho in equation, substituting the value of rho in equation. What was the equation? The equation was okay. Now see, in place of P we can say P by KT. We will write this in rho. Here it was rho. We can write P by KT, or simply you can further say KT divided by, and you can say KT divided by 2 pi sigma square, and P is there. We can say in place of P we can say P. Okay, this is the equation. Now what will be the final equation? The final equation will be lambda is equal to KT. Okay, this is the final equation where 2 pi sigma square P will be there. 2 pi sigma square or P will be the answer. Okay, one thing is more, mean free path is also related to the viscosity of the gas. This is very important. Mean free path is also related. Mean free path is also related. Mean free path is also related with the viscosity. We can say that mean free path is also related. Mean free path is also related to the viscosity of gas. So how can we can say that, like we can say lambda is equal to this, lambda is n, and what is the viscosity formula? 3 by rho and d. This is the formula. P is the pressure of the gas, D is the density of the gas, and N is the coefficient of viscosity of gas. Rho, density of gas, D, density of gas. We can say in place of rho we can say pressure. Okay, so this will be the D, and P is pressure of the gas. Pressure of gas, and N is coefficient of viscosity of gas. Okay, this is the derivation. Now, what is the effect of pressure and temperature? Effect of the second important topic, pressure, effect of pressure and temperature on free. Effect of temperature and pressure on mean free path. What is the effect of temperature and pressure? So we can say that what is the effect of temperature and pressure? Okay, it is given by the relationship. It is given by the relationship what is the relationship? The relationship is lambda is equal to, we can say, kg divided by 2 pi sigma square C or P. This is the relationship. Okay, just if in place of P we can say like P for pressure. This is the relationship. Now see, as we can say, lambda is directly proportional to temperature and inversely proportional to pressure. In this formula you can say lambda is directly proportional to temperature and inversely proportional to pressure. So we can say lambda is directly proportional to temperature, and lambda is inversely proportional to pressure. Inversely proportional to pressure. This is the relationship. Okay, this is another relationship, is relationship between temperature and pressure. Relationship of pressure and temperature on collision frequency. What is the effect of temperature and pressure on collision frequency? So this is also, so what is the collision frequency? As we studied collision frequency is nothing. We can say that collision frequency is, as we derived, like for 1/2, this was the formula, half pi sigma square and C bar and rho square. This is the formula. Okay. Now, what is the effect of temperature? Effect of temperature. Now, in this formula, you can say that Z11 is directly proportional to C bar. Z is directly to C bar, and C bar is directly proportional to under root T. It means root means square velocity and average velocity directly proportional to the square root of absolute temperature. It is the direct relationship, and root means square. We can say simply root means square velocity. Root means square velocity and average velocity vary, and average velocity vary directly proportional to the square root of absolute temperature. To absolute temperature. So this is the direct relationship of coefficient of we can say effect of temperature. So direct relationship. Okay. Yeah. Simply we can say that Z is directly proportional to under root T. Yeah. Simply we can say Z is directly proportional to under root T. So this is the simplest formula. Okay. What is the effect of pressure? So this is also effect of pressure is also the same. Effect of pressure S directly proportional to P. In the equation we can say directly proportional to rho. That was the equation. In the directly proportional to rho square. So we can say P is directly proportional to rho. This is also. So we can say that pressure of a gas is directly proportional to the rho and pressure per unit volume of a gas. So you can say that it is direct relationship. Direct relation to, this is direct relation. Here we can say this is the formula. You can say it is a direct relationship of rho. So pressure of a gas is directly proportional to the rho, that is the number of molecules present in per unit volume of a gas. So that was the small relationship between free mean path and also effect of temperature and pressure. I think you enjoyed the video. Take a very good care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.